just let it go with the mines.
Okay.
Mine on this road. He should go over it. You just pass the mine. No, got him.
Got it.
Oh, just.
Let's go.
Yeah, the tank is not coming for us. It's going the other way.
No.
I'm not so sure.
What?
Okay.
It coming back this way?
It sounded like he
Possibility.
stopped and turned.
Yeah, I can see him. I can see him. I can see him.
Yeah. Can we get a mark on that? 300 meters.
Over the bridge. No, he's not. He's looking at us.
Tracked him.
Is that mark accurate?
Yeah, it's pretty much right on us on the road.
That's a double hit.
Engines off.
Another hit. Yeah,
Can we on the back of
Matty,
C4?
cover me, Matty.
Yeah,
I-
yeah.
I'll hold fire until you're away. Alright.
Tell me when you're away. Tell me when you're away, because I'll smack him again.
I'm away.
Gunner's down. He's smoking.
C4 mark.
He's firing towards me.
Yeah, at least one of them's dead.
Yeah, this C4's about to go off.
In the turret. Smoking. He's not dead yet though.
I
Out
think
of ammo here.
I think Golden might be the
The
tank driver.
But I think the Tiger actually.
The whole squad.